All right, so my coaster is done and it is ready for the backing to be put on. However, I didn't scrape this one soon enough, and you can kind of see here that there is a little bump out there. There's another one just tiny there. And so because of that, it doesn't sit quite level. So you have two options. My preferred option will be using the Dremel, but if you don't have a Dremel, you can try using your heat gun to heat up your X-Acto knife and then scraping away, always away from you and down, just like you would on a cutting board. So we will do that first so I can show you. Okay, so find your bump. Lock it and just saw. There you go. And it's off. Okay, and you can also use your Dremel. So you can see I have just that round sandpaper one, and I'm just going to turn that on. Find my bump first. And it's done. I like that way just because you have a little bit more control over what you're taking off. On this one, I took a little bit off of the actual color. On this one, I was able to really just dig down onto the spot that I needed. So now it sits nice and straight.